Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to input data into any text file using C++ program. It is very easy program. Let's start. So first of all, I clicked on plus sign to create the new file and I gave file name input file 2.cpp, and here I'm going to include IOStream header file, then string header file, and also fstream library file. Like IOStream library, fstream defines some input output functionality. To do any reading from or writing to files, you must include fstream library file. After that, I will write using namespace std. Then we will start our main function. Here I have to write return 0. Now what I'll do is I will declare some variables here. Like I'm going to include first name, last name, and grade and marks in our text file. So I am declaring them as a string here. String first name, comma last name, comma grade. I am writing marks as a float, but it will not work. I have to convert it into string afterwards because I'll get some error message. Now I'm using getLine function with cin, which will help us write the values of the variable inside the record.txt file. So for every variable, I'm going to use getLine function. GetLine cin, comma, variable name. Here first name, now last name. Now I will write getLine into brackets cin, comma, grade. After that, I will write getLine cin, comma, marks. So here I'm requesting user to enter first name, and then I will write down cout last name. I'm just going to do copy paste here and change first name to last name. End line, end L. The cout grades I will do. Now for the marks, I'm doing same thing. Cout enter marks. So get line cin, comma marks. Now you see there is no error. Now next you should establish variable of OF stream, output file stream type, and the syntax is very simple. OF stream space file output into bracket the name of the file, which is records.txt here, comma iOS, and scope resolution operator app, which is help us to append some data into the file. Then we have to write if statement. If file output dot is open, if the file is open, then we have to perform some actions, else we have to do something. So here, if file is open, what I'll do, I will print the output. So for that, I will use file output, then all the variables we have to put here, so their values will be our output. So file output first name, last name, grade, marks, and slash n for the next line and semicolon at the end. And here to make our output look better, I'm just adding either you can add space or some character between two values of the variables. So here I'm adding some lines to separate them. Now see out data is written in the records text file /n, and then we have to do the else also. See out file is not open, we will write. Whatever file we open, we must close it. So for that we have to write file output dot close function and semicolon. Now we are in the main function. Once we are out of the else, remember to close all the brackets. Now I am putting C in dot get function. This is just asking user to press any key or enter key to close. Now check the program again. All header files are included. F stream is more important. Then variables are declared variable. Get line is used to enter the data in the file. OF stream file output, the name of the file. iOS app is used. That is just to say new data should be appended to the old data. And then we will compile after checking everything. Now our program is successfully built, so we will try to input some data. So I'm typing / file name. So here on the left you'll see exe file is created. I just have to type the name of the file. Now you have to start entering the data. First name Mark, second last name Iskar, and the grade is B plus. Some marks we have to input. Now again I will run same command to run the file. Then the new first name is added John. Then the last name is Mitz, and the grade I'll put something A. And now you see this data should be recorded in this records.txt. You see how it is added. Now we can run again exe file and then add new more data. Here first name is Tim, last name something, and the grades and the marks I'll put. Again I'll run this command to add new data, and you see on the top every time I am adding data it will show in the records.txt file. So this is how we can successfully write a program in C++ to add data in our text file. Thank you. Thanks for watching.